Hi everyone. Today we are going to study from class 10 chapter 5 arithmetic progressions exercise 5.3 question 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Let's try to understand. Find the sum of first 22 terms. Sum of means what is given to us? Sum of first 22 terms. So sum of 22 terms. So we have to find out sum of 22 terms. And what is given? In which D is 7. So D is given to us 7. And 22nd term is 149. So 22nd term is, that means 22nd term. So when it is 22nd term, the A value is 149. So what we have to find out is sum of 22nd terms of an AP. So sum of it we have to find out. D is given to us, AN is given to us. So AN means what? Normally when we say, when it is last term only we say AN. So this also can be said as L because it is last term. AN is, see, AN means what? It's a number of terms, right? So last term we consider as AN because A1, A2, A3, A4 dash dash dash, then AN we write. So that means, see, A1, A2 dash dash dash, then we write AN. So that means that is the last terms. So we consider this is L. So AN is what? Last term. So which is 149. So we have to find out sum of 22 terms and D is given to us. So now the formulas that we are familiar with. So we know the formula AN, A plus N minus 1 D. So if we have any three value, we can find out the fourth value, right? If we know AN, then if we know AN, A and D, we can find out N. If we know A and D, we can find out AN. If we know AN, N, D, then we can find out A. So for that we use this formula. Then we also know that sum of the number of terms. So that is N upon 2 first term plus last term. Then we also know sum of number of terms N upon 2 2A plus N minus 1 D. So any of this formula we can use it. When we know first term and the last term, we can use this formula, and the number of terms and value if we know, we can find out Sn. So now here we have to find out Sn. So 22 S means what? Sum of 22 terms means Sn it is. So N value is given to us because, see, this can be written like this, Sn. So that means this is N value. This also can be written as a AN. So that means N value it is. So N value is what? 22. So N value is given to us. N is 22. So now what we have to find out? You see, we know the AN value. So AN value we know, that is 149. Then N value we know, that is 22. D value we know, that is 7. So we know AN, we know N, we know D. So what we have to find out is A. So if we know A, then you can find out Sn because this is Sn. So we can find out Sn because we know N value. We will find out from this formula, we will find out A value, and L value we know it already. So let's find out A value. Then we will know any of this formula we can use and find out the sum of 22 terms. I hope it is clear to you. Let's begin. We have to find out A value. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So AN is what? AN is given to us. This is Sn, right? This is Sn, this is AN. So AN value is 149. A we don't know. N we know 22 minus 1. D we know, that is 7. So let's keep 149 as it is. This will be 22 minus 1 will become 21. This is in multiplication. So then 149 A plus 21 into 7 will give us 7 147. So now this is in plus. Let's bring it to this side. So 149, this is in plus. When it comes here, it will become minus 147. Let's be this side only. So now 149 minus 147 will give us 2. So that is A value. So we got the A value now. So any one formula now you can use, because we know A value, we know L value, we know N value. So Sn you can find out. Here also we know A value, N value, D value. So any of this formula you can use and find out the Sn value. So let's write down the formula. That is Sn equal to N upon 2. You can use any formula. I'm just using the first formula. You can use this also. So Sn, that is N value we know, that is 22. Okay, so sum of 22 terms we have to find out. So N is 22. First term is we found out, that is 2, and last term we know, last term is 149. So 149. So sum of 22 terms. So if you are dividing this, you will get 11. Here it will be 149, 150, 151. And if you multiply 11, 151 into 11. You multiply. With 1 you multiply, you will get the same number. With 1 you multiply, again you will get the same number. So plus it, 1661. So 1661. So this is our answer. So what we have to find out is, find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP. So you can write down the answer. The sum of first 22 terms of an AP is 1661. So that's it. Thank you. God bless you.